HD makeup begins long before foundation touches the skin. For beginners, understanding skin preparation and base makeup is the most important step, because HD makeup is designed to be seen up close, in high resolution, and under strong lighting. Any dryness, texture, or uneven blending becomes visible on camera, so the goal is to create a smooth, healthy, skin-like finish that looks flawless yet natural. A well-prepared base makes all other makeup steps easier and more beautiful. The first step is cleansing the skin properly. Clean skin allows makeup to sit evenly and last longer. Use a gentle face cleanser suitable for your skin type. Oily skin benefits from a foaming or gel cleanser that removes excess oil, while dry skin needs a creamy, hydrating cleanser to avoid tightness. Massage the cleanser into damp skin using circular motions, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat the face dry with a soft towel instead of rubbing, as harsh rubbing can irritate the skin and create redness that shows under HD makeup. After cleansing, toner plays an important role in balancing the skin. Many beginners skip this step, but toner helps remove leftover impurities and prepares the skin to absorb moisturizer better. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, choose an alcohol-free toner with soothing ingredients. For dry or sensitive skin, hydrating toners with rose water or glycerin are ideal. Apply toner gently using a cotton pad or your hands, pressing it lightly into the skin. Moisturizing is essential for every skin type, even oily skin. Hydrated skin creates a smooth canvas for HD foundation. A lightweight gel moisturizer works well for oily skin, while a richer cream is better for dry skin. Take a small amount and massage it evenly over the face and neck. Allow the moisturizer to absorb fully before moving to the next step. Applying makeup on unabsorbed moisturizer can cause slipping and patchiness. Primer is the secret weapon of HD makeup. It fills in pores, smooths fine lines, and helps makeup stay fresh for hours. Beginners should choose primer based on their skin needs. Silicone-based primers are excellent for blurring pores and creating a smooth surface, especially for camera makeup. Hydrating primers are better for dry or dull skin, giving a soft glow from within. Apply a pea-sized amount of primer, focusing on areas where makeup tends to fade or crease, such as the nose, cheeks, and forehead. Color correction comes next and is especially useful in HD makeup. Under-eye darkness, redness, and pigmentation can show clearly on camera if not corrected. Peach or orange correctors neutralize dark circles, while green correctors reduce redness. Use a very small amount and blend it gently into the skin. The key is subtlety. Too much corrector can look heavy under foundation. Choosing the right HD foundation shade is one of the biggest challenges for beginners. The foundation should match your neck and chest, not just your face. Test the shade along your jawline in natural light if possible. HD foundations are designed to feel lightweight while providing a flawless finish. Liquid HD foundations are ideal for beginners because they blend easily and look natural on camera. When applying foundation, less is always more. Start with a small amount and build coverage gradually. You can use a makeup sponge or a foundation brush. A damp sponge gives a more natural, skin-like finish, which is perfect for HD makeup. Dab the foundation onto the skin instead of dragging it. Focus on blending thoroughly around the hairline, jawline, and nose to avoid harsh lines. Concealer is used to brighten and perfect the base. Apply concealer under the eyes in a small triangle shape to lift and brighten the face. Use a shade slightly lighter than your foundation for a fresh look. Conceal blemishes or pigmentation by tapping concealer only where needed. Blend gently with a sponge or fingertip, making sure the concealer melts into the foundation seamlessly. Setting the base correctly is crucial for HD makeup. Too much powder can make the skin look dry and cakey, especially on camera. Use a finely milled translucent powder and apply it lightly with a fluffy brush or sponge. Focus on areas that crease or get oily, such as under the eyes, around the nose, and the forehead. Leave the high points of the face slightly natural to maintain a healthy glow point. One of the most common beginner mistakes is rushing through base makeup. HD makeup requires patience and blending. Always check your makeup in different lighting angles to ensure there are no harsh lines or unblended areas. Another mistake is using too many products at once. Simplicity is key for beginners. A well-blended base with fewer products always looks better than heavy layers. Finally, remember that HD makeup is not about hiding your skin but enhancing it. Healthy, well-prepared skin paired with light, precise application creates a flawless finish that looks beautiful both in real life and on camera. Taking time to master skin prep and base makeup will give beginners confidence and a strong foundation for creating elegant, professional HD makeup looks. Once the HD base is complete, the focus moves to the eyes and eyebrows, which play a major role in defining the face on camera. In HD makeup, every detail matters because high-resolution lighting can easily highlight harsh lines, uneven blending, or overdone brows. For beginners, the goal is to achieve soft glam eye makeup that enhances natural features while remaining elegant, balanced, and professional. Eyebrows frame the face and must look polished yet natural in HD makeup. Before filling in the brows, it is important to brush them upward using a spoolie. This helps reveal the natural shape and shows where product is truly needed. Beginners should avoid overshaping the brows, as bold, blocky brows can look unnatural on camera. The most flattering HD brow is softly defined with a natural arch and gentle tail. Choosing the right brow product makes a big difference. Brow pencils are the easiest option for beginners because they allow precise, hair-like strokes. Pomades give stronger definition but require practice, while brow powders create a softer finish ideal for natural glam looks. Select a shade that closely matches your natural brow color or is slightly lighter, as overly dark brows can appear harsh in HD visuals. To fill in the brows, start from the middle and work toward the tail using light, feathery strokes. Avoid applying heavy product at the front of the brows. Instead, use whatever remains on the brush or pencil to lightly fill the inner brow area. This technique creates a soft gradient effect that looks more natural and camera-friendly. Finish by setting the brows with a clear or tinted brow gel to keep hairs in place throughout the day. Eye makeup for HD beginners should focus on smooth blending and subtle definition. Soft glam eyeshadow looks best because it enhances the eyes without overpowering the face. Neutral tones such as soft browns, champagne, peach, and taupe work beautifully for all skin tones and lighting conditions. These shades reflect light softly and avoid harsh contrasts on camera. Begin by applying a neutral base eyeshadow or concealer over the eyelids. This step evens out discoloration and helps eyeshadow blend smoothly. Set the base lightly with a neutral powder to prevent creasing. Next, apply a light transition shade slightly above the crease using a fluffy blending brush. Use small circular motions and take your time blending to achieve a seamless transition. To add depth, choose a slightly darker shade and apply it to the outer corner of the eye. Blend inward gently, keeping the product concentrated on the outer area. Avoid dragging dark shades too close to the inner eye, as this can make the eyes appear smaller. HD makeup looks best when shadows are well blended with no visible edges. For a soft glam effect, a subtle shimmer or satin shade can be applied to the center or inner portion of the eyelid. This adds dimension and brightness without looking glittery or heavy. Beginners should use shimmer sparingly, as too much shine can appear oily under HD lights. Press the shimmer gently onto the lid rather than sweeping it for better control. Eyeliner is optional in beginner HD makeup but can enhance eye shape when applied correctly. A thin line close to the lash line is ideal. Black or dark brown eyeliner works well, but brown gives a softer, more natural look. Beginners should avoid thick or dramatic wings, as they can overpower the eyes on camera. If using pencil liner, softly smudge it for a diffused effect that looks elegant and forgiving. Lashes are a key element in HD eye makeup. Curling the lashes opens up the eyes instantly. Apply mascara starting from the roots and wiggling the wand upward to separate and lengthen the lashes. 2 light coats are usually enough. Heavy layers of mascara can clump and become noticeable in high resolution. For a more polished look, false lashes can be added, but they should be lightweight and natural looking. Trim them to fit your eye shape and apply carefully to avoid lifting corners. The lower lash line should remain soft and balanced. A light shadow or soft brown pencil can be applied gently to define the eyes without making them look heavy. Avoid dark, harsh lines under the eyes, especially for beginners, as they can create shadows that look intense on camera. Throughout the eye makeup process, blending is the most important skill to master. Take time to blend each shade thoroughly and step back occasionally to assess symmetry. Use clean blending brushes to soften edges and maintain a professional finish. HD makeup emphasizes enhancement rather than transformation. Softly defined brows, gently blended eyeshadow, subtle liner, and well-defined lashes create a look that appears polished, elegant, and effortless. When beginners focus on balance, blending, and natural tones, eye makeup becomes one of the most beautiful elements of an HD soft glam look, perfectly suited for high-definition cameras and professional lighting. The final stage of makeup is where everything comes together, transforming individual steps into a complete, polished look. After mastering basic face makeup and applying advanced eye makeup, the finishing touches define the overall style, longevity, and impact of the makeup. This stage is not just about adding more products, but about balance, confidence, and understanding how makeup works in real life, on camera, and in different lighting conditions. For beginners, learning how to finish a look professionally is just as important as learning application techniques. Lips play a crucial role in completing the makeup look. When the eyes are bold or detailed, keeping the lips soft and neutral creates harmony. Nude glossy lips are a perfect choice because they add freshness without overpowering the eye makeup. Before applying any lip product, preparing the lips is essential. Gently exfoliating removes dryness, while a nourishing lip balm hydrates and smooths the surface. Lip liner can be used subtly to define the natural lip shape, preventing gloss or lipstick from feathering. A light layer of nude gloss or lipstick brings the entire look together, adding elegance and softness. Once the makeup is complete, setting it properly ensures longevity and comfort. Setting spray is a powerful tool that many beginners underestimate. A few light sprays help melt all the makeup layers into the skin, reducing the appearance of powder and creating a natural finish. It also improves wear time, making the makeup last through long days, events, or filming sessions. Choosing a setting spray that suits your skin type, whether hydrating or mattifying, enhances both comfort and appearance. Understanding lighting is a key professional skill that separates everyday makeup from camera-ready makeup. Makeup can appear different under natural daylight, indoor lighting, or studio lights. Soft glam makeup is especially versatile because it adapts well to various lighting conditions. Checking makeup near a window helps identify any harsh lines or uneven blending. For those creating content for YouTube or social media, slightly enhanced definition ensures the makeup looks visible on camera without appearing heavy in person. Adjusting intensity based on lighting builds confidence and prevents over-application. Presentation and posture also influence how makeup is perceived. Confidence changes the way makeup looks on the face. Standing tall, relaxing facial muscles, and embracing natural expressions allow makeup to enhance rather than mask beauty. Beginners often focus too much on flaws, but makeup is about celebrating features rather than hiding them. When confidence is present, even simple makeup looks refined and attractive. Makeup for different occasions requires flexibility and understanding. The same soft glam base can be adapted for daytime, evening, or special events with small adjustments. For daytime, lighter eye definition and softer lips create a fresh, effortless look. For evening, deeper eyeshadow tones, stronger eyeliner, or added lashes increase drama. Learning how to modify a look rather than completely change it saves time and builds versatility. This adaptability is especially useful for beginners who want to get the most out of their makeup products. Long-lasting makeup is a common concern, especially for beginners who struggle with fading or creasing. Touch-up techniques help maintain a fresh appearance throughout the day. Carrying blotting papers removes excess oil without disturbing makeup. A compact powder can refresh the T-zone, while a small brush helps reblend eyeshadow edges if needed. Lip gloss can be reapplied easily, restoring shine and hydration. These simple habits ensure the makeup remains polished without feeling heavy. Mistakes are a natural part of learning makeup, and understanding how to fix them builds confidence. Uneven eyeliner can be corrected with a cotton swab and a bit of concealer. Excess blush or contour can be softened with a clean brush or light powder. Eye makeup fallout can be cleaned without ruining the base by gently brushing it away. Knowing how to fix mistakes removes fear and encourages experimentation. Makeup is also deeply connected to self-expression and emotional well-being. For many beginners, makeup becomes a form of creativity and self-care. Taking time to practice makeup can be relaxing and empowering, allowing individuals to connect with their personal style. There is no single definition of beauty, and makeup should never feel like a rulebook. Learning techniques provides guidance, but personal preference shapes the final result. For those aspiring to create beauty content or grow a channel, consistency and authenticity matter more than perfection. Viewers connect with real experiences, including learning curves and growth. Showing progress, sharing tips, and being honest about challenges builds trust and relatability. Soft glam makeup, with its elegant and approachable style, is ideal for beginners and content creators alike. As the makeup journey continues, practice becomes the most valuable tool. Each application improves blending, placement, and confidence. Over time, advanced techniques become easier, and personal style becomes clearer. Completing a makeup look is not just about appearance but about how it makes you feel. When makeup enhances confidence and creativity, it becomes a powerful form of self-expression. By combining well-prepared skin, advanced eye makeup, and thoughtful finishing touches, beginners can achieve a complete, professional look. This final stage celebrates balance, individuality, and confidence, proving that beauty is not about perfection, but about embracing and enhancing what makes each person unique.